Grand Rising, Grand Rising. Happy Saturday morning as the sun comes up in the east in my growing food forest, my backyard. As you can see, we're going to have a beautiful solar day, all this beautiful sun. Everything's looking good. I just put some more harvested rainwater in the sump of aquaponics number 2. This is a 100-gallon tank. I'm getting it ready to bring the fish from inside the garage, the 75 small juvenile fish, and put them in here. I'm getting the tank all ready. Man, I love coming out and letting the fresh sunshine hit my body and my face. Beautiful, beautiful feeling. Our bodies need the sun, and it's so good to see the sun is back again here in the deep south of Texas, in Ag Zone 9A, 9B, in southern Texas, in the Houston area, in the burbs of Cypress. I love coming out here and seeing things growing so good in my aquaponics system. I love hearing the water flowing. Seeing the water flowing. And watching the plants grow. The natural sunlight. My ashwagandha roots have buds on them, and I brought them out because I realized that they need more natural sunlight to get those roots growing, because you harvest the roots of these plants as herbal medicine. I'll just ashwagandha. And I'm looking forward to putting more plants in this bed too, that are growing inside in my greenhouse indoors inside. Looking at aquaponics number 1, that's next to 2. Look at those greens. Everything is just growing so good, and all this good sunlight now that we have coming from our Arctic freeze of last week. Well, I shouldn't say last week, almost 2 weeks ago. Look at those tree collars. They're getting bigger and bigger with this sunlight every day. So today I may add a few fish into the this tank because the plants are going to need the nitrite organic fertilizer product that the fish make through the beneficial bacteria. All one ecosystem flows together. They're going to need that, so looking forward to getting the fish in there and getting everything going real good. This tank is about to dump because it's all the way full, as you can see, to the top. You see the water comes all the way up in the air pots, halfway up, waters the plants, and then goes back down again. The birds are singing. It's a sign of early spring here in southern Texas. All my solar farms are harvesting free power from this beautiful sun. Everything's on natural power out here. Nothing out here comes from the grid. Everything comes from solar power. It's a beautiful thing to watch nature grow you food organically. Have a nice Saturday, y'all. Get outside, breathe, meditate, detox your mind, feed your body and soul, grow some food, make some power. It doesn't matter what space you're in. You can grow food anywhere, whether you're in an urban city, suburbs, or if you're on a homestead. You can do this anywhere. At the end of the day, ain't nobody coming to save us. We gotta save ourselves.